Thank you for taking the test. Now that you have your report with you, it means you are one of these four. You're either a spark or a blaze, or you are a pulse or a serene. Now let me help you understand what these words truly mean to you. This is based upon a science, and the main body of work was done by a gentleman called as William Marston, and this was way back in 1928. And he studied, and he realized that people can be profiled on 4 behavioral dimensions. And now, out of these 4 behavioral dimensions, you have been profiled as one, which is your major primary factor that influences the way you think, behave, and act. Now let's talk about flame. If you are a flame, you are a person who is extremely extrovert. There's a need for you to get connected to people. And your dominant emotion is optimism. You have no problems in trusting people. In fact, you love to get results through people. If there is a role which requires you to be an individual contributor and not have much contact with other team members, that will bring the worst out of you. So, a flame is very, very optimistic by nature, and any role which requires you to network with people, any role which requires you to front end, let's say meet customers, or do any activity which typically is a front stage activity. I or a blaze typically likes to be in the spotlight, and that's why they will do well in any activity which requires them to be in the front stage. Blaze is the life of the party. They have a need to express and a need to be heard. You will do extremely well in roles which are sales or marketing related, which are more outgoing, which require you to be connected to the world outside. Now this gives you a brief idea about what your core behavioral talent is. Now, if you are a spark, and if you are required to do the role of an accountant or somebody who is into research, this will not bring the best out of you, it will bring the worst out of you. Similarly, if you are a serene, and if you have to go out and meet people and interact with people, and your success depends on how you connect with people on a regular basis, if that is going to be the case, then it's going to bring the worst out of you. So it gives you an awareness. But let me also say that it's not as simple as categorizing people into these 4 boxes and saying that this is who you are. In truth, we are a combination of all 4, where maybe 1 or 2 factors are dominant over the other 2, and that all the 4 factors, proportion of these 4 factors are unique to every individual, and that will determine your true persona. So I will highly encourage you to take a detailed report, which is called as a TRIMETRIX coaching report, and I use that for coaching purposes. And this not only profiles your behavior, but it also profiles your values, why you behave the way you behave. And it also profiles your core attributes, which means if I get to peep inside your mind and just see how you tend to view the world and how you tend to view your own self. Now this tells me something very deep about your real core talents, and that's this TRIMETRIX report. And I will encourage you to get in touch with our office and go through this report. It is a fantastic report. It will allow you to operate out of a very high level of self-awareness and then cause the world to see the genius in you. So take the test and call our office, and one of our coaches will personally debrief the report with you, and it will surely be a report that will give you key insights on how to achieve far more results with much less efforts and in the process accomplish lot more fulfillment.